Today you worked with words that have double consonants in the middle or the end of the word. In today's activity, you will be playing a matching game. You need to find two words that have the same double consonant in the same place. Let's try a couple together. If I uncover this box, as well as this box, I have the word glitter and pillow. They both have a double consonant in the middle, but glitter has TT and pillow has LL. Since they are not the same double consonant, then I cannot use them as a match. I need to cover them back up. And now I'm going to try again. I'm going to try to uncover glitter again, and this time I'm going to uncover this one. This time I uncovered glitter and kitten. They both have the double consonant TT, and they are both in the middle. So I'm going to type them in my first match. First I will type glitter, and then I will type kitten. I will leave those words uncovered, and I will continue to find matches until all 8 matches have been found.